Mám se trochu vyjádřit ke škole, na které se v současné době nacházíme, tak jedná se o pracoviště základní školy Slezské. Základní škola Slezská je v současné době součástí většího celku škol, základní školy a mateřské školy Český Těšín Hrabina. Škola na Slezské ulici v minulosti měla asi 30 let. V současné době jako spojená škola existuje 2. rokem. Jedná se o klasickou sídlištní školu uprostřed města a tomu také i odpovídají určité druhy práce ve škole. Škola patří k těm, které v současné době prodělávají určité změny ve vývoji na základě školního vzdělávacího programu. A pokud tady bych měl v současné době některé věci vyzdvihnout, tak musím říct, že na téhleté škole se stále víc práce informační a výpočetní techniky, že pedagogové a jejich žáci si stále více zvykají na určité netradiční způsoby práce, ke kterým patří například projektová výuka, která je zde reprezentována celoškolními, nadtřídními, ale i řadou třídních projektů.
My name is Helena Lazarova. I'm from the Czech Republic. I teach at the Hrabina Primary School in a small border town called Český Těšín, located between Poland and the Czech. I am a primary and secondary teacher specialized on teaching ICT. Hopefully pupils like this subject as I do. I've been very pleased to participate in the project ICT because I'm always looking for ways to revitalize teaching. Nowadays it is very common that our children use modern technology in their communication, but iTech project is a way how to connect children's interest along with education. We work in the scenario benchmark and design. Our aim was to suggest improvements of computer lab or design a new classroom. The equipment is outdated and students are not happy with it. Pupils had the opportunity to design the classroom according to their wishes.
Have you enjoyed the learning activity?
I really enjoyed this project because it was funny and I liked teamwork.
Yes, I have. I enjoyed teamwork with students.
Yes, I have because we were working on PC.
I enjoyed this project because we worked in groups of friends and we worked on computers.
I really enjoyed Project iTech because I like working in teams.
Our iTech team made lots of things for this project. We will now save just the most important of them.
Book of our team on the internet with information of our team. This is made by David Koresha.
Graphic plan of our design class in program SketchUp, made by our graphic Andrzej Sabela.
Presentation with all information about our team, his work on Project iTech, how much the equipment of our class cost, and another information. This is made by our manager Jacob Kaczmarczyk.
Records with recorded information of our team and his work. This is made by Jacob Kaczmarczyk, our manager.
The project involved boys from the year 7 and 8. We use these tools: Program TeamUp, Google Docs, Google Blogger, for graphic design, SketchUp and Microsoft Paint. Working on this project was very interesting for me. I have learned more about pupils' personality and pupils' ability to work as a team. I was surprised by their creativity and ideas. Definitely, I recommend to other teachers to participate in the project iTech.
What have you learned during the learning activity?
I learned how to get along with my friends and better search on the internet.